If you're currently running a business on booking.com and you want to find the no-shows reservations, let me go ahead and show you how to find this on the booking admin portal. So once you sign in into the booking admin portal, guys, you want to scroll down on the home page and just basically click, for example, reservations, right, on the happening today. Now it's going to take you over to the reservation page, or you can also find the reservation at the top. So depending on where you are, you can find reservation at the top, or you scroll down on the page. It's really up to you. And on this page, you will basically see the reservations for today. Now, to quickly find the no-shows, just simply click on more filter and simply check the box for no-shows. Now from here, you can go ahead and you can filter the day. If you want it for today or you want it for previous time, you can just basically widen the gap and just choose how you want. So in my case, I just wanted to show for today, the 21st, and I basically leave it as that. So in this case, I just wanted to show for today, the 21st until the 22nd, and it's gonna basically show me what those no-shows are. And once you do that, just simply click on show reservation. It's gonna quickly make the search of that filter so that you can see the result as well. As you can see right here, I don't have anything, but this is how you'll easily basically filter no-shows on your booking admin portal.